Dear old friends, how are you? Our second lesson is SNR. S means support and R means resistance. So first we look here how. To use VS, on, or. See here, this is our support zone. And this is our resistance zone. So, resistance, 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 support, 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 resistance, support, now understand again. Market made here resistance as a way. Resistance breakout. Resistance again, market makes support. Again resistance. Support. Resistance. Support. So understand now, this is our SNR area. Resistance and support. This is our SNR area. We can say resistance becomes support. Resistance becomes support SNR. Or if we look in downtrend. Support, resistance. Support, resistance, support. Resistance, support. Areas and our area support become resistance. Support become resistance. Support become resistance. So see here downtrend, and then market again make here support. Resistance area would really base. Really market breakout resistance area. And convert in resistance become support. Here support become resistance, and resistance become support, so trend change. And our trend line is this. See, market have three type situation. Market movement. Sun type. Market move three type images. Now we see in real chart. See here we have chart H for support resistance. Remember, we don't mark small high low. We mark main high low. Resistance, support, support. Support, resistance, support, resistance, resistance. Resistance, support. Resistance, resistance, support. Support, support. If we see here our first resistance breakout, so impossible market move. Trend changing now, buy side. GBP and the support resistance becomes support. Resistance becomes support. Resistance becomes support. Resistance becomes support. Single resistance. Resistance becomes support. See here, resistance. Market breakout with a really base. So resistance becomes support here. Winning small time frame and 30. First our drop is drop supply breakout. So resistance becomes support is confirmation. GBP USD support become resistance. Support become resistance. Resistance breakout, support become resistance. And resistance breakout with really base really. So our trend change, resistance becomes support. Resistance becomes support here. See how this is resistance support. Support breakdown show GBP USD trend change. Again, we repeat, resistance becomes support. Market made here high resistance. This is our high. This is our low. These all setups. Our team will understand you step by step. Last time when you all set up understand, then we use. These all set up for trades. Support breakdown, market made here low and low, new support. So market retest our previous resistance and go down. So possible market never break out this area. Support drop, base drop supply zone, market made here new resistance and go down, and this support again break down. Resistance. First support breakdown. So market never know breakout is resistance. Market retest and again go down. Resistance area, support. Sometimes we can use resistance in selling position. For sell entry, we draw trend line when market touch the trend line. We make sure here any confirmation. Reversal pattern or our theory is this when market M30. M30 chart breakdown first support. So we take entry and our stop loss will here. Resistance, but remember we are. This resistance and support marked in major chart. We don't apply support resistance SNR in small chart. Because mostly 80-80, 80% will failed, but if we draw SNR major chart, it will not mostly fail. Support really base really market made here. Resistance becomes support. And again, so now you see USD JPY currently in bullish. Resistance becomes support. Market breakout are again small short resistance. Now retest and again go up. If you have any question, you can ask anytime. Next, lesson will be S&D supply and demand. Thanks.